I doubt there has been a period, time or era in human history where such a large multitude of people have been gripped by sadness, gloom and depression. Any person and every person you meet at some point or the other is a victim of advanced level of depression. And today I'm going to share with you some of the causes of our depression and the psychology of the Quran and understanding what the Quran has to offer us to undo our depression. Often in the world in which we live, those that ought to provide us the solace, unfortunately, they compound and exacerbate the problem. There was an article of a country in Africa, and I was just reading the report, in which it was found that the anti-corruption unit was the most corrupt. Right? They say there are two things that can cause havoc to a person's life. In Urdu, they say, दो चीजें आदमी को परेशान करती है, एक उसके ख्यालात, दूसरे उसके हालात. There are two things that can just cause absolute havoc in your life. One are your thoughts, and the second are your circumstances. And nowadays people have long showers, so they have extended thoughts. The shower is running, and I had this thought in the shower. And often it leads to insomnia. कहते हैं ना ये नींद भी क्या गजब की चीज है, आ जाए तो कुछ चीजें बुला देती है और न आए तो कुछ चीजें याद दिला देती है. Sleep is a very strange thing. If you get it, it helps you to forget. And if you don't sleep, it helps you to remember. The Arabic poet said, سهرت عيون ونامت أعين في أمور تكون أو لا تكون فادرأ الهم عن النفس فحملانك الهموم جنون إن ربا كفاك بالأمس ما كان سيكفيك في غد ما يكون. Some people, because of the precarious political climate, because of the instability, because of the predictions of the economists, some cannot sleep, others cannot get up. Some cannot sleep, some cannot get up. في أمور تكون أو لا تكون. It might go this way, it might go that way. فادرأ الهم عن النفس. فادرأ الهم عن النفس. The poet says, shrug your shoulders and just drop this whole burden on you. فحملانك الهموم جنون. You've become a vessel of depression, which is tantamount to insanity. إن ربا كفاك بالأمس ما كان سيكفيك في غد ما يكون. The Lord who took care of you yesterday has not become dormant or inactive today. He's active and He's alive and He will rescue you. So the first cause of our depression today in the world is overthinking. In English they say, control your thoughts, it might break into words. Control your thoughts, it might break into words. Overthinking is the biggest cause of depression. What has the Quran got to offer us to combat this and address this thing which has gripped us, plagued us, and in many stages incapacitated us? A person has a healthy body, but he has a depressed mind, and he cannot move, he's immobile.
These two things, your thoughts and your circumstances, may lead you to depression. So my brothers and sisters, don't overthink and don't complicate things. No need to worry much about future, and no need to overthink about everything that's happening in your life. Sometimes calm down and have tawakkul in Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring you out from all the problems that you are going through.